The psychology of money, how to think like a millionaire. What if I told you the secret to becoming a millionaire isn't about working harder or making more money? But what do you think? That's right. Your mindset could be the key to unlocking your financial freedom. Today, we're diving deep into the psychology of money and how to think like a millionaire. Stick with me, because what you learn here could change your financial future forever. Before we dive in, let me ask you this. What does money really mean to you? Is it security? Freedom? Power? The truth is, how you think about money shapes how you handle money. And that's what we're going to uncover today. The foundation, shifting your money mindset. Point 1, the power of abundance. Embrace an abundance mindset. Most people grow up thinking there's never enough. Enough money, enough time, enough opportunity. But the wealthy, they think there's plenty to go around. They operate from a place of abundance, not scarcity. When you shift your mindset to abundance, you're not constantly fighting for scraps. You believe opportunities are endless, and that belief shapes your actions. Millionaires don't just see the world as limited. They see it as full of possibilities. A person with a perplexed look on their face, holding an empty wallet, then transitioning to the same person with a satisfied look, holding a growing bank account. Do you believe there's always a way to make money? If not, you're operating from a scarcity mindset, and that's the first hurdle you need to jump over. Point 2, long-term thinking. Think long-term, not short-term. The difference between a millionaire and the average person isn't just how much they make, but how they think about time. Millionaires aren't looking for a person scrolling through social media, seeing a flashy car ad, then snapping back to their focused mindset, investing in a diversified portfolio. Here's a tough question. Are you living for today or building for tomorrow? Because in the game of wealth, long-term thinking is your golden ticket. Point 3, risk versus reward. Understand the relationship between risk and reward. Millionaires don't fear risk, they manage it. They understand that in order to achieve big rewards, you must take calculated risks. The average person avoids risk because they fear loss. The wealthy, they embrace it and turn it into opportunity. This doesn't mean being reckless, it means calculated risk. Millionaires assess risk, they research, they prepare, and they act. They're willing to take chances where others are too scared. A person hesitating to make a decision, then confidently taking action on a business investment. So, what's your relationship with risk? Are you avoiding it out of fear, or are you learning to handle it with confidence? Growth, building wealth through mindset. Point 4, delayed gratification. This is a huge one. The wealthiest people have learned the art of waiting. They don't buy what they can't afford today because they know that if they're patient, the reward will be worth it in the future. Millionaires don't give in to impulse. They know that building wealth is about making sacrifices in the short term for a much larger payoff down the road. Person holding an empty credit card, then seeing a vision of themselves in a luxury home, deciding to invest wisely instead. Ask yourself, how often do you say yes to short-term pleasures? The wealthy know how to say no in the moment for the sake of long-term freedom. Point 5, continuous learning, commit to lifelong learning. The millionaire mindset isn't static. It's a constant evolution. While most people stop learning after school, the wealthy know that financial success is tied to personal growth. They read books, attend seminars, and are always seeking ways to improve their skills. Think about it. If you stop learning, you stop growing. And if you stop growing, you stop moving forward financially. Millionaires are constantly expanding their knowledge in order to create new opportunities. Person having a light bulb moment after reading a financial book, then applying it to real-life decisions. What's the last thing you learned that could impact your financial future? If you can't answer that, it might be time to hit the books again. Point 6, surround yourself with the right people. Surround yourself with people who elevate you. The people you spend the most time with will directly impact your financial mindset. If you want to think like a millionaire, you need to surround yourself with millionaires, or at least people who are serious about their financial growth. Millionaires understand the value of a powerful network. They collaborate with other successful people, share ideas, and support one another's growth. Your network determines your net worth. Person stepping away from a group that's gossiping, instead joining a group discussing business ideas and investment strategies. Here's a question for you. Who are the top 5 people you spend your time with? Are they pushing you toward wealth or away from it? Execution, taking action to build wealth. Point 7. Make money work for you. Millionaires don't just earn money, they leverage it. They know that the key to wealth is not working harder, but working smarter. That means investing, building assets, and creating passive income streams. The money you make should be put to work, whether it's through stocks, real estate, or even starting a side business. The longer you let your money sit idle, the more opportunities you're missing. Don't just save money, let it grow. Start making your money work for you today. Now that you understand the psychology of money, it's time to put it into action. Change your mindset, change your life. Start thinking like a millionaire and you'll start acting like one too. And remember, wealth is built with intention, not luck. If you found value in this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who's ready to take control of their financial destiny. Drop a comment below. What mindset shift are you going to make today? Let's start building wealth together. Until next time, stay focused, stay disciplined, and remember, your millionaire mindset starts right now. Think like a millionaire. Start today.